Description: don't try any FF stories in real life, it's just an imagination. All content is my own, so please don't copy. Background picture is not mine, voice is my own. Enjoy the FF and don't forget to share and subscribe this channel. Author: far away from the cold mansion, Leah sat in a small dusty room above a hidden internet cafe. The air smelled like a smoke and old wires. Her eyes were red from reading. Her fingers tired from typing. She had been searching for days using fake accounts, tracing news, watching CCTV leaks, anything that could lead to her YN. Authors: on the wall beside her were pictures and papers, a blurred photo of YN getting pulled into a black car, a symbol, a red snake tattoo, and a name she found whispered in a dark web chat. Authors: we, that one who took her, Leah talking to himself. You messed with a wrong girl, we, I'm coming. She knew she had to be careful. The man who took YN was powerful, ruthless. She had always seen two hacker friends disappear after locking into his files. But Leah was ready to risk everything. Author: back at the mansion, YN sat by a window in her room. Her left arm was still in a sling. Her face was pale, lips dry. She hadn't eaten much in 2 days. A tray of food sat untouched on the table. Author: she stared at the trees outside. She imagined running into them, getting lost, even dying out there. I still sounded better than staying. Then come the sound she hated most: footsteps, slowly, heavy, cold. Author: staying, he opened the door quietly and stepped in, holding a scarf in his hand. Taeyang softly: it's cold today, you'll need this if you sit near the window. YN coldly: I don't want anything from you. Taeyang: your lips are turning blue. I'm not here to hurt you. YN laughing without smiling: you already did. Author: she didn't move, didn't look at him. She just kept staring outside. Author: Taeyang slowly walked up to her and gently placed the scarf over her shoulder. YN didn't stop him, but she didn't thank him either. Taeyang sitting beside her: I dream about you, you know. YN quiet: nightmares are not dream. Taeyang: I see you smiling at me, holding my hand, loving me. YN angrily turning to him: I'd rather die. Author: his face didn't change, but his eyes, they looked darker now. Something inside him twisted. Taeyang smiling slowly: then I'll keep you alive until you love me, even if it takes forever. Author: that night Jimmy come to check on YN while Taeyang was out at the mafia meeting. He knocked lightly and opened the door. YN was lying in bed, awake. He didn't laugh. He looked at her, then looked down. Jimmy: I know Taeyang for years. He cold, smart, dangerous, but he never looked at anyone the way he looks at you. YN: I'm not lucky. I'm trapped. Jimmy: I think he's in love, but it's normal love. Author: YN sitting up, eyes burning: it's sick, and if you care at all, you'll help me to get out of here. Author: Jimmy didn't answer, but his silence gave her a small spark of hope. Author. Meanwhile, Leah had raised a security company that was connected to V. They provided cameras, trackers, and alarm for rich criminals. She followed a delivery van for hours, took pictures, watched there it stop. Author. And finally, she found something, a road that led deep into the woods. A long fence, hidden cameras, guards in black. Leah whispering to herself, "This is it. Wine is in there." Author. She stepped back into the shadow and pulled out of her phone. She sent a message to someone she hoped she could still trust. Text, "I found her, but I need help. Guns, maps, and a way in. Leah." Author. That night Taehyung came back from his meeting. He had blood on his sleeve, a reminder of who he really was. But still he walked into Wine room like a man carrying flowers. He sat by her bed and whispered, "Taehyung, I hurt you, I regret it, but I can't let you go." Wine dead voice. "You say that every time, you always say sorry after you break something." Taehyung stroking her hair gently. "I will fix everything. One day you'll see, you'll love me back, even if I have to kill the whole world to make it happen." Author. The secret room was cold. Wine sat on the floor, curled in a ball. Tree. Tears dried on her cheeks. Her legs were weak, her broken arm still hurting. She felt like she had no soul left then. The secret door cracked open, a flashlight flicked into the room. Leah whispered, breathless, "Wine." Wine lifting her head shocked Leah. Author. Wine crept towards the light, her eyes wide with disbelief. Leah dropped a flashlight and ran to her, hugging her tightly. Wine crying hard, "Leah, it's really you. You come." Leah, tears in her eyes. "Yes, I am here. I am here. Let's get out of here now." Author. Leah had Wine. She saw a bruise, the blood and swollen arm. Wine could barely walk, but she held on. Wine in pain. "He is going to kill us if he finds out." Leah. "Then we will make sure he doesn't." Author. They moved quickly through the wall, but the mansion was big and Taehyung men were everywhere. Leah holding a small knife. "We go through the back hallway. It's dark there." Wine whispers, "Okay." Author. They reached the second floor stairs when they heard it. Taehyung voice. Taehyung shouting from downstairs, "Search every room. I want her back in my arms. I'll burn this whole place down." Wine terrified. "He's here." Leah grabs her hand and can run. To be continued. Let's see what Taehyung do when he knew that you are again try to run with your friend. Don't miss another part and don't forget to share and subscribe this channel. Bye.